looks good. See it? Oh, nice. See it? Wow. Right over there. Right over this skyway. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video, and today we are going to be going to Texas Roadhouse. So let's begin in our journey to Texas Roadhouse. Make sure you smash the like and subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a banger. And let's get into this vlog, and let's get into this video. So here we go, let's do this. Alrighty you guys, we're about to head on over to Texas Roadhouse now, so see you guys at Texas Roadhouse. So about to head on out of here, so see you guys at Texas Roadhouse. So yeah. It does on the sunset. Nice. Texas Roadhouse now. Yeah. Ready, you guys? We're just now ordering our food. See you guys through here. So yeah. See you guys when the food comes. So, yeah.
Here says it's probably a developer.
Jeez, wow. As I'm editing this video, as you guys are seeing, sorry if I didn't really point it to the fire. I kind of had the camera pointing down a little, so that was my bad. So that was my mistake. Sorry about that. But anyways, back to the video. That's bad.
Okay, it's called the Space Coast Rocket. You should follow it on Facebook. They have all kinds of stuff on there all the time.
Yeah. So, that's not good. Hope everything's alright. Guys.
Then we got the sweet to go.
He got the thing fries.
Okay. Am I missing any side to go with the potatoes? So no big hurry. You guys enjoy it. Thank you very much.
Chicken fry. That's good. See it? Looks good.
Did we get the regular bottle? Did we get the bottle?
Thanks. Have a good night. Oh, yeah.
Yep.
What's the next in? There's still something walking out there, I guess. I got it, baby. Let's take him down.
Ready, we're just now getting out of Texas Roadhouse. There's a rocket launch going up. So yeah. Here we go to Texas Roadhouse.
I'm with you.
Okay, to see like the skyline all the way down there. Yeah. So it should be going up real soon. And yeah. Oh, now I see it. Wow. Right over there. This skyway. Nice. It's cool. Nice. Love it, love it, love it. Wow. It's really cool. Very cool launch tonight. And sorry for this part of the wind blowing into my microphone, into my mic, so my apologies on that. Nothing I can do about the wind or the audio, but you guys are just gonna have to deal with it, sorry.
See it above your head, Kyle? Just separated. The boosters are coming down now.
Oh wow. Which way?
Right above your head, baby.
Okay. Oh, I see it now.
There's one.
There's one of the boosters. Glad you said something. There's one of the boosters.
Still see the rocket and the booster coming down.
All at the same time?
Just
Hopefully I can get these sonic booms on camera.
there it is. See it
Oh,
now?
there it is, right there.
Right there's the booster. It's gonna land and here's some booms.
Hopefully.
It's a mini shot. Probably as soon as I turn it off in the car. Right? It was fake. It went though. It was barely here.
I didn't hear it.
That's a good video. Hear
Yeah,
it?
it is. I hear it. Now I can.
Can't hear the booms right now. Why don't you relax on it?
another video down here in the downtown. Super cool. Got some neat restaurants. Really cool. So yeah. Don't just put on video. Very nice. Very nice. Alrighty, you guys, just now got home, so I switched back over to the camera, so I'll probably have to switch back over to the same other camera in the morning, so I'll probably see you guys in the morning, so I'll see you guys in the morning, and yeah. What did you guys think of that rocket launch? And the booster, all that good stuff. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about all that. Let me know what you guys think, so yeah, let me know. So I'll see you guys in the morning, and see you guys in the morning, and yeah. Hey you guys, what's up? It's currently the next day, and I'm gonna go have me some breakfast, so I'm gonna do that and show you guys the sunrise. Well, wait, there's no sunrise because it's blurry outside and it's gloomy out, so I don't know if you guys can see out there or not. But anyways, I'm gonna go get me some breakfast, so let's do that at least, so yeah. Alrighty, you guys, here's my breakfast this morning. Rice Krispies. So I'm gonna enjoy this now. I'll see you guys after breakfast. Looks good, so yeah. Alrighty, you guys, I'm done with my breakfast now. That was really good and delicious, and I hope you all enjoyed this Texas Roadhouse video. And I hope you all enjoy it. Have a great and wonderful day today. And thank you all so much for all your support, and stay tuned for the next video. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Until then, peace out. And I think the next video I drop will probably be when we're on the cruise. Look forward to seeing you guys on there. So, see you guys there. So, love you guys. Bye. Peace out. If you're not subscribed to my second channel, link down below in the description. And also some other links to some other videos and as well. You guys could check out. So, anyways, I love y'all to the bottom of my heart. Until then, love y'all. Peace out. Please subscribe.